Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and yesterday when I was recording the update video, I noticed that Universal has started to put out some Mardi Gras merchandise, so I'm back today to take a closer look at it. Now I saw that Mardi Gras merchandise inside of Studios, but I'm wondering, is it inside of the Universal Studios store in City Walk 2? Let's take a look. No, not yet. So into Studios we go. Not here either, so on to the place where I know it is. It's at this little place here by Music Plaza. For $65, this black hoodie. It's a pull over your head hoodie. Let me show you the front. Has the logo there, Universal Mardi Gras 2026 on the left chest. And then for $35, we have this gray t-shirt here. $35 for the purple Mardi Gras t-shirt. Has the Universal arch there, beads, a mask, Mardi Gras 2026. $30 for the velvety smooth purple Mardi Gras hat. Purchase a freestyle Mardi Gras tumbler, drink all day, $28.99. This is what it looks like. Let's give it a spin. Oh, there you go. $16 for the freestyle cup holder. That's one side. There is the other side. Comes with a little carry strap as well. The headband. The headband is $27. Oh, that seems a bit pricey for this. $65 for the nice shirt. Buttons up the front. Has a pocket on the left chest. A collar. It's the same graphic all the way around. I'll show you it back anyway, but there you go. Mardi Gras. Universal Mardi Gras. And $20 for the Universal Studios Mardi Gras 2026 fan. Oh, I thought it was just a doll or a plush, but it's actually a shoulder pal for $25. Shoulder pals. Everything's a shoulder pal now. $25 for the kids Mardi Gras t-shirt. This mask is $30. These are $15. Let me double check the ones on the bottom here that has more feathers. Yep, I knew these would be more expensive. These are 30 bucks. All the beads you see here, they're all $6 a piece. Do I have a favorite? Probably the one with the bananas. So this pin is $16. This keychain, which has, you know, there's more to it here, more than the pin, is 18 bucks. And the large metallic, it's very hard, I assume it's metallic magnet, is $16. That's all of the Mardi Gras stuff for now. Let's go search for some other merch. Let's pop inside the 5 and Dime. Special deal, 2 for $30, Frankenstein and Scarecrow. I've shown these before, but a little bit of a deal going on now, right, Miss Essie? I've shown you some of the birds merchandise, but I don't think I've shown you everything. Let's see if I can pick out a few things I haven't shown you. The purse here is $60. Has the bird, the sun, says the birds. It's on this side. The other side is just plain. Nothing on the other side. And then the wallet is $22. I don't think I've shown you this long sleeve shirt for $45. That's the front. It's almost like a Spirit jersey, but maybe, maybe not, kinda, sorta. Says, hold on. Says the birds on the back. And then I can't remember if I've already shown you this $37 birds t-shirt. But there it is again. This one over here, also $37. Let's see what's on the back. That's just like the stripes. Also pretty sure I've already shown you the $90 jacket, light jacket, and $25 I didn't know what it was at the time I first showed it, but you guys are telling me that maybe it's like a hair scarf, a head scarf. And I did show the water bottles. And I think I showed this shirt, the birds, like a baseball style tee. If I haven't, I'll show you I'll tell you the price. $37 for it as well. I love the Back to the Future Marty McFly jacket here. I don't love the price. The price is $95. Well, now that I've seen it on a mannequin, I have seen this before, just not on a mannequin, but now, kind of like it for $55. Not for myself, obviously, but for someone. A Bates Motel Psycho Room Service t-shirt for $30. Love that one. Right through those doors is the Bourne Stuntacular. This is the way the guests exit the attraction. As such, there's this one little shelf of merchandise for the Bourne Stuntacular. T-shirt, $37. Cap is $25. Here's the mug, $18. You know, I'm not so eager to have Bourne merchandise, but the inside, I do like that color blue. The sleeveless shirt, $27. We changed the shelving behind the counter here. This used to be stuff all behind glass, but they now just have regular merchandise there. Same thing on this side. Oh, all the cool behind glass stuff is gone except for this little shelving unit here behind glass. $325 for the Dracula, I don't know, what is this, a medallion, a brooch? $400 for this Frankenstein's monster figurine. And the Wolfman figurine is, can we get a good look at it though? Is it too much of a glare? So, you know, trying to do the best I can, but a lot of glare behind the glass. And then the Mummy's hand and ring for $375, but that's all the cool stuff behind glass now. Just regular, this is like Epic Universe merch right there. No glass required. Looks like each of the main monsters has a cool mug. Let me show you each one. Frankenstein's monster for $30. Cool handle. That's the other side there. You make me feel alive. Are they talking to coffee? And then we have the bride's mug. Also $30. Also with a cool handle. It says beautifully dramatic on this side. Here is what Dracula's look like. It is in focus. Trust me. That's just how the picture is, or the image is on the mug. But there's Dracula. Also a cool handle. What's his say on the other? Oh, pain in the neck, it says for Dracula. Here's Gilman looking at you as you sip your beverage. Inside the first image, there's its handle, and it says Creature from the Black Lagoon. Like I said, each one is $30, including the Wolfman here. I do like the color of that one inside. It's neat little handle there, and it just, what did it say here? The Chill Thriller of the Century for your Wolfman mug. Now here's that dress I showed you earlier off of the mannequin. I think the mannequin really sells this one. A white Casper hoodie. That's appropriate, being white. What was it, $80? Hold on, let me double check. I looked at it and I forgot. There's the front graphic. Yes, $80. There's your front graphic. We have graphics running down the sleeve. Both sleeves appear to be the same graphic. And there's a graphic on the back. So graphics all around. It's a it's a big Casper face. The purple sweatshirt, this is not a hoodie, is $45. Time to Get Spooky on the front has a Time to Get Spooky on both sleeves. Yes, it does. And it too has a back graphic. It's a purple Casper face. $37 for the black t-shirt. That's the back of it. Looks like you've seen a ghost. What does the front look like? Oh, there we go. There's the front. It even has short sleeves, but a little something on both sleeves as well. Do me a favor, if you like the merch search videos, consider becoming a channel member. At the very least, hit that like button, or better yet, let's try the hype button. Maybe the hype button can help these videos perform better and allow me to keep doing them. But regardless, until next time, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, and watch this next.